welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a huge Miniso haul. I went out for lunch with two of my blogger friends and we ended up shopping. I don't know how a lunch date turns into a shopping date with the girls, but that's just what it turned into. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen all the stories and all the food that we ate and everything we did. I post lots of stories and the outfit that I wore and everything. But I asked you guys on Instagram whether you wanted to see a Miniso haul, and like 90% of you said yes, you wanted to see one. So here it is. Also, don't judge this appearance. I've had a whole day of wearing this makeup. I just touched it up a little bit and I'm basic AF today. There's no extensions, there's no false lashes. This is my everyday minimal makeup, so yeah. Also, there was an entire beauty section. There was a huge makeup counter with all sorts of makeup imaginable, and there was also a perfume counter and all of that, and I did not go through that because I have enough makeup as it is. I don't really need any more makeup, so I did not go to the makeup section because I knew if I went there I would end up picking up so much makeup that I don't need, so there's no makeup in this video. At the stationery section, so at the stationery section, why is that so hard to say? At the stationery section, I picked up these stamp markers. There are 24 colors and all of them have different shapes, and I thought this would be so good for makeup tutorials and things like that because I can draw stars on my face and hearts and all sorts of crazy shapes, and it just looked really fun, to be honest. This was for 350 rupees. So you press this and open it up, and 24 colors for 350 rupees, you guys. Let's test one out. This is like a purple one and this is supposed to be like a flower. Oh, that's not too bad. That's kind of fun. Oh, we have a red star. Look at that. I don't think these are meant for the skin though. This is pretty much meant for paper, which is what stationery is. But I just couldn't. They just looked way too fun to pass up. Then I got this tissue box, and this also has space to put other random tidbits. This was 450 rupees. I thought it would look much better and much less ugly than this daffodil container right here. So this is what it looks like. You can open this lid up and pop some tissues inside. And then you also have this little mirrored compartment and space to put like cotton swabs or cotton pads and things like that. And then there is also a section underneath. Super cute, you guys. Oh my god, I couldn't pass this up. And for 450 rupees, I thought this was quite pretty. I got a satin shower cap for 150 rupees for days when I'm having a shower under the shower, if that makes sense, and I don't want to wash my hair. But I'm not sure how satin is supposed to keep the water away. Isn't satin supposed to get wet? Anyway, it's a cute pinky shower cap. There were lots of different colors. Oh no, it has like a waterproof lining inside, and there were lots of colors in this as well. Super cute! I got dish towels, and these were super soft. Like, I thought I could even wipe my face with these because these are so soft. And these were only 190 rupees for like 5 towels. So good. Let's just pop one open. Thank you, Chowkidar, for telling us that all is well. So this is the dish towel. I love the lavender grey kind of color. It's nice and square. Great for dishes, I guess. I got a rat tail comb. This was for 190 rupees as well. Definitely need rat tail combs all the time. These are great to party with hair. Here's what the rat tail comb looks like. Nice and simple, nice and black. Then I got these sunglasses, and these were 590 rupees, and I thought these were super fun. Like, look. Isn't this like super cute? I thought they would look so fun in the summertime. Plus, I love this shape and the gold and the reflectiveness. Oh, another super handy thing I got. This is a Miniso stackable jewelry box, and I thought this would be great to organize my rings. Oh my god, what a great solution. And this was only for 350 rupees as well. Oh, so pretty. Look at this. This would look really nice in my jewelry drawer. I just place all my rings here. I thought I could get 2 of these, but then I thought, you know, let's just start with one first. If I need more, I'll get more. I got 2 packs of razors because shaving is the way to go. And these are 4 razors for 190 rupees again. And they have a pivoting head, and like, I think they have 3 blades. That's what that looks like. And then I also got these compact travel razors. They reminded me of the Venus Breeze that I use all the time. The Gillette Venus Breeze. It's one of my favorite razors. And this looks quite similar to that, but the shape is so pretty. Like, look, it's like circular, so you could hold it and it would be so easy to use. And this was for 350 rupees. And you also get 2 refills, so I'm really excited to try this out. She went a little razor crazy because I also got eyebrow razors and I use these all the freaking time. And I filmed a video on how I shave my face, so I'll show you that. So these are really nice, like eyebrow razors, and these were only for 250 rupees and you get 3 here. Oh no, it's 230 rupees and you get 3 here. And then I also got these little ones with the pivoting head. These are like nice and small, so I thought this would be great for eyebrows. These ones were for 190 rupees and you get 2 here. I got this super fun gold glitter cat ear tumbler. They had this in silver as well, but of course I went for the gold. This was for 250 rupees. It is 400 ml, I guess. 420 mls. This is what it looks like. So cute! They had so many different cute tumblers, but of course gold glitter is like everything. I'm gonna be fancy and have my water in this for a while because she doesn't drink coffee. I got a doormat. My bathroom is actually pink, so I thought this would be great to put outside my bathroom. And this doormat was for 230 rupees only. And look at how freaking cute this is. Oh my god! This is like the cutest thing ever. Super cute. And it's so soft. Either my dogs are gonna pee all over it or they're gonna bite it because they love soft fuzzy things. Let's see what happens because I just had to get it. And there were so many different cute ones, but I ended up getting the little kitty one. Then I got lots of socks because you can never have too many socks, and plus I like wearing plain socks in the gym. And these were 190 rupees and you get 3 pairs here. So I got plain black ones and I got plain grey ones. And they feel super soft. Ooh, this is great. This is like an adhesive rack and there were so many different styles. Like there were transparent ones and there were like different heart-shaped ones and all of that. But my room is all grey and wood and black, so I wanted something that would match in my room, and this was only for 290 rupees, you guys. I cannot wait to hang this and hang stuff on it. And it says 5 kg is the maximum load that it can take. So, oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna remove the tape. I'm gonna remove it when I actually decide where to stick it into my room. So I thought this was really cute. Oh, this is one of the most interesting things ever. These are compressed mask sheets. There are 30 mask sheets in here and this only costs 150 rupees. I don't think there's any mask inside these because you get a little bowl, so you can just create your own DIY sheet mask at home. Just make a little mixture, put this in a bowl and dunk your sheet in a bowl and then apply it on your face. So I thought this was so cool. I cannot wait to play with this. And you know what, I think I have to see and open one up to see what it looks like. So all of these are like individually packed and you get a little bowl. So cute. Oh, I'm scared to tear it. Yeah, so you get a dry sheet with holes and you can just dunk this into a mask that you create and then apply a nice sheet mask on your face. Isn't this the cutest ever? You know, you could even just take cucumber water or orange juice and things like that and just put it on your face. And this will really help like lock it in and let the ingredients soak inside. I got another one of these things. These are actually charcoal masks. These are charcoal compressed facial masks and these are 40 pieces for 250 rupees. Look at that. These are individual charcoal masks. And I love charcoal masks for deep purification and oil control and just clearing out the pores. Charcoal masks work really great. After facial cleansing, submerge the mask in liquid essence, adhere the expanded mask onto face, leave to rest for 15 minutes and then take it off. Does that not sound like the most exciting thing ever? Oh my god. Okay, so that's all that I got from Miniso. But I also went to Adidas after because I wanted a pair of slides. And I did not want the basic bitch edition that everyone and their mother has. You know, everyone has those black slides with 3 white stripes that every single person has. And I was like, I need slides, but I want something different. So I went to the girls section and they had pink and orange slides with white stripes. And I was like, okay, that can't happen. I want something black or something white. So I went to the men's section and I picked out my slides, and these are a little different. I mean, they're still quite like Adidasy, if that's a thing. There's still like 3 white stripes here, but it's not all over, it's only like on half the portion, and plus the front part of this is white. In most of the slides, the front part was black, but I wanted something more white based than black based. So I got these, and these were 2300 rupees. They're so comfy. I've already worn these today and I couldn't be happier. I love these so much. Then I went to the Kiko counter and they were having a sale on their mascaras. All their mascaras were only for like 400 rupees, 399. So I found this glitter mascara, you guys, because I didn't need any more mascara. I have enough. She's breaking things. Thankfully, it just kept rolling all across my room and it didn't break. But this is one interesting mascara. I did not need any volumizing or lengthening mascaras in my collection already. But this one looked like something so different. This was originally 850 rupees, but I got it for 400 rupees. That's what it looks like. It's so cute, you guys. I thought this would be great to put on the lower lash line. Looks like that. And you can see it's quite glittery. Look at that. It looks so fun. So then we went to the MAC store because one of my friends wanted some base makeup and all of that, and I ended up picking a lipstick. Not that I need any more lipstick in my life, but there's just, it was screaming out to me in the store because while she was getting her makeup done, I was just looking around the entire store and drooling over everything. So I ended up picking this lipstick. This is the shade Tropic Tonic. Nobody talks about this shade. I haven't heard many people, well, anyone talking about this shade. And it's the most beautiful neon peachy shade ever. Look at that. So stunning. Here is what the palette looks like. So pretty, you guys. You know what? I'm just gonna layer it on top of this. Yeah, so that's all for my haul. That rhymes. I hope you enjoyed. Those were all the products that I picked out yesterday, and this was just so much fun. And if you did enjoy this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you super soon. Bye guys.